This is a lift at Kogarah train station. This is being modernised. This used to be a DV Schindler lift. Where's the lift going to become? It's coming up now. So liftronic makes this lift. It's very smooth.
Street level, doors opening. Going up.
Close the door.
Please mind the doors.
So liftronic makes this lift. It's really smooth. This did used to be a DV Schindler lift.
Concourse. Doors opening.
So that's it. Please like my video. This is the electric lift. The other one was a hydraulic one. So that's it. Please like my video.